Now we start adding the components. So we go to the root folders and add a folder called components. And inside the components, we create a new file called stories.js. And we just type RAFCE. And then we also add a JSON. We create the stories.json data to add some dummy data on it. And then we also create a story.js. And we use the RAFCE to create these components. And now we go to the stories.js and go to the top. And we import the stories from stories.json. And then add a div. We use stories.map and story, and then story, and we paste the key is equal to story.id, and I think we should have used the story.email because if you look at the JSON, we do not have. We also have the ID, so we can use story.id. And then we can use the image, which is story.avatar. And then we use username. And the username, we do not have a properties called username. Instead, we have the first name and last name. So we combine these to become the username. So this is story.firstname plus story.lastname. And then we go to the story and we destructure the image and also the username. You can see we have the image and also the username. So we back to the story.js, and inside this we add the image tag. And for the image tag, we pass the image file, and we have to add the class name. We set the height of 14 units and the width also 14 units. And then we use rounded through. And then we add the paragraph. And we type username. And then we go to the index page. And then we import the story. Now you can see we haven't defined the story, so we have to back to the stories.js and import the story. Now you can see we already display the name, and you can see it do not display the picture, and this is because for the index.js there are styles that affect the styles, so we can delete this one first. Now you can see we have the image, the circled avatar, and also the username already displayed inside our website.